Welcome, my fellow citizens. I'm on my vacation at my home, and I have two projects for you here. I cannot play so much Star Citizen as I already said, so I have to do something different. And I decided to do this. First of all, that Corsair behind me is going to get built. This is from Mellowmans. They sent me this a long time ago. I'm very sorry, but I just couldn't make it. So hopefully I'll have a little bit time now, and I'm gonna make that. But we are not today for this here. We are here to show you something very interesting, and that is my little project. I found this, let me show you, my 15 years old PC. And I want to see, can this PC run Star Citizen? Now, I do not know much about components on this thing. I know I have this old LG monitor, which is still functioning by the way, and this old PC. I just opened it once to dust off a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. The only component that I actually know what it is this Pavilion GTS 450. This is my first NVIDIA GPU that I bought, and I still remember waiting in line to get this one, collecting money. I think I had the biggest fun building this PC ever, and this is actually my first PC that I ever built. As you can see, the cable management was top notch. Later I upgraded this thing. I think I changed the processor. I think it's now i7 Intel, but I do not know which generation. We're gonna check that out later. And I'm pretty sure I have 16 gigabytes of RAM here. We'll have to see it once we turn everything on. I had this old hard drive, and all I did was I bought this. Well, my brother bought it for me. This is a 2.5 SSD. Shout out to my brother. He has also a YouTube channel about bikes. If you are interested, I'm gonna link it down below. Now we're gonna turn this on. I want to see if this actually works. And then we have to install the new Windows on this SSD and boot everything, install the Star Citizen, and see if it works. So if you like this kind of small projects, join me today. I'm gonna show you something very interesting with this PC, and we're gonna see if it actually works and can it run Star Citizen. Let's have fun, citizens. Everything is now set up. It's not the prettiest one, but it's everything there. The subwoofer is even working. And the moment of truth, we are gonna turn on the monitor. Okay, that works. And now the PC. I have to pull it out. Turn on. And give power. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's working! Will I get some kind of post? I hear the sounds from it. I think maybe the cable for the monitor is not good, or my GPU is dead. Either way, we're gonna find out soon. Alright, after some time testing, I found that the RAM was dirty. I had to pull out all the RAM sticks, clean them out, and then put them again, and we have a post. So now, time to install the Windows, and let's see if this actually can run Star Citizen. We have now Windows installing. Interesting what kind of games I'll be able to play here, and will I be able to play Star Citizen? We shall see. Alright, after a lot of testing, Windows 11 could not boot on this machine because the motherboard and processor are over 20 years old. The processor is Intel Core Quad 2, and I think it's Q6600. And yeah, Windows 11 is a no-go. But 10, here it is. Alright, my fellow citizens, after a long time, finally my PC is on, everything is installed. I just have to now remove some bloatware, and yeah, we can try the Star Citizen on 20-year-old PC actually. Only the GPU is 16 years old. Alright, my fellow citizens, after a hard day of work, I've hit a dead end. So every time I try to open launcher, it will not be able to do it because the processor is too old. It doesn't support a launcher above 1.6.1, and I cannot write my data in this old launcher, which is supported because it just prompts this install all the time. So if I do not manage to do this, I will not be able to play Star Citizen on my old computer. I've installed some games. For example, I love to play this game Little Stray, and also old Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Both of them work fine, but this, yeah, I'm not able to turn on. I'm still gonna try a little bit. If I do not manage to do it, well, that's it. This 20-year-old PC cannot run the Star Citizen, sadly. Even if the game is able, like, the PC is actually able to run it, but because of this. Alright, it's official. So I managed to log in inside of the launcher by turning off internet connection and then fast turning it on. And this is what I got. Unsupported hardware detected. This game requires a CPU supporting AVS instructions to run. So sadly, it's not possible for me to play the Star Citizen because of the old processor. So if you have this kind of processor, this would be limitation. But anyway, I just want to show you that this PC actually can run the game. This is modern game. It's called Stray. It's a puzzle solving, yeah, really interesting game. What I really enjoy about this is the game can run on high on this old PC, which is absolutely crazy. It's not a high frames, but still it can work. And what I want to test also, can it run with a lossless scaling, so giving me some extra FPS. So we're gonna go to the settings, go to the graphics. You should actually work everything on low, but still I'm gonna use this. I mean, we cannot play Star Citizen, we know it, but still we can enjoy some games. And here we are. Guys, look at this. A modern game on a 20-year-old PC. And it's actually playable. Look at this. And the picture is nice on this monitor. Wow. The FPS is not the greatest, of course, but still, it works. How crazy is this? Wow. Okay, let's try lossless scaling and see if we can get better FPS. Oh, if this works, I'll be so happy. By the way, I recommend this app also for your Star Citizen. So you just turn it on and it will work. Oh yeah, it's definitely better. Still not the greatest, but you can play this, you can enjoy it. Wow, 20 freaking years. I'm just sad that the CIG implemented this, yeah, lockdown that you cannot even try to start the game. But look, it's working. So yeah, that was it, my fellow citizens. Sadly, the game didn't work, but I gave my best. I had a lot of fun making this PC work again, and it was great running my old PC back. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Until next video, have fun out there, my fellow citizens.